DIY Life Tech, and today I am unboxing the Gesobyte amplified TV antenna. This allows you to get over-the-air channels on your TV without having to have a streaming subscription. And I like that it's an amplified antenna. It should give me good range and good quality. So let's go ahead and just open the box here. Okay, so we've got this open here. Now let me pop out and take a look at what we've got in here. So we've got the actual antenna itself. It's basically this big flexible panel, which I think is pretty cool. You can hide it behind your TV if you have a big flat screen TV, and it comes with some mounting squares. So these little tape mounting squares. You can see it's super thin. So you can put this on, you do it on a window if you want to get the best reception possible, or again, mount it on the wall behind your TV. Anywhere this can go up. Super thin, super light, a little flexible, you can put that on there. Then we've got this cable, and it's gonna go into the TV. So this is your standard little antenna connector. Plug that into the antenna on the back of your TV. Even today's modern smart TVs are gonna have that. Works with any digital TV. So if you've got an old one, you might have to get a converter, but any modern TV, this is gonna work. Plug that in. And then we've got on the back here, this is the power for the amplifier. So really simple, it's got this little USB converter. Plug that in, plug this into the wall, and you can get that power into this antenna and be able to improve your reception dramatically. So very cool, looking forward to using this with my TV. And again, we've got the antenna itself, we've got the little power converter in there, and then we've got some mounting squares, little instruction manual telling us how to tune it for our TV. Otherwise, super simple, super easy device here from Gesobyte.